Harriel Road Builders is a full-service road contractor and industry leader with over 50 years of industry experience. We have a team of experts and financial strength to execute and deliver both large and small projects successfully. We have earned our reputation as one of the most experienced, innovative, and quality-driven road contractors. Some of our major works include PWD roads and CPWD roads, Forest Department roads, Food Corporation of India roads, Police Department's roads, Farming Corporation of India roads, Plantation Corporation India roads, Southern Railway roads, Water Authority roads, Electricity Board roads, Municipal Panchayathu Corporation roads, Harbour and Engineering roads, etc. We undertake projects such as industrial roads, company factory compound, inner roads, parking area, etc., tea estate roads, plantations roads, rubber estate roads, agri farm roads, etc., badminton court, ground tarring, stadium, etc., hospital, auditorium, parking area, warehouse parking area, inner roads, etc., resort, hotels, shopping mall, inner roads and parking area, etc. Our services include private road cutting, leveling, ground earth leveling and rolling, metaling and water rolling, GSB filling, 20 mm tarring, 40 mm tarring, 70 mm BM and BC tarring, and all types of road tarring work. We undertake works across Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.